Hey folks, this is Paul with Live for Moto, and we're going to go out for a little evening ride on the KTM tonight. But I was telling you a few videos ago about how I had upgraded my camera equipment, and look at what I have mounted. Third person view. So let's go give it a test ride and see how it does. Come along.
It's always a good time. It's always a good time.
What's your channel?
It's right there. I'm going to give you a card, and that way you can look it up on your own. Right on the front where it says Live for
I
Moto.
want to get a channel. I guess.
You want one too?
Yeah.
Oh, everybody's got to have one. Okay. Fortunately, we have enough to share. Now,
I'd like to see this snow channel.
Now guys, is it okay if you guys are in a little bit of my video? Because right now that camera is running, so if you want, I'll make sure that none of you are on it. But if you want to be on it, then I can go ahead and put this in the video if you want to be in the video.
Okay. Yeah, I want to be.
You guys all want to be in the video?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right,
Girl,
good.
Barry, because I can do real fight stuff.
So when you type it in on your computer, just type in Live for Moto and you'll see my channel come up.
Yay.
Okay? It probably won't be for another week or so before this video is posted up. So if you like it and you subscribe to it, then you'll see when my videos pop up. Obviously, make sure it's okay with your parents, you know. You don't want to go and do something that ain't okay.
It's okay, but not our because Barry and we're brother and sister.
Well, good. Yeah, then you guys only got to ask one time. All right, guys, I'm going to go for a ride. So let's move on out of the garage here, and I'm going to go do some recording. wiped out pretty fucking hard. Ooh, I hope I can shake this off. Well, folks, you saw it. You saw it in slow motion. It was the lamest, most retarded wreck you could possibly have. And can you believe that that little flop onto the side resulted in the x-rays that you're about to see? A broken collarbone, and in the one that's not so clear, broke 4 ribs right up in the upper portion of my chest. The luck of the fall. I mean, it was stupid. I wasn't even going that fast. Needless to say, I'm not going to be on the bikes for probably a month or so. However, I do have a couple other videos coming up, and those videos are going to be in relation to ergonomics, riding on the motorcycle. Like with anything, when you make a mistake or when you wreck, something like that happens, generally most people will take something away from it, and I took something very valuable away from it. Those of you who follow the channel, follow the videos, know that the KTM is a new motorcycle to me. And in its totally factory form, I would say that it is not comfortable for me, and I would put some of the cause of this wreck I would attribute to that. Other portions of it, it's been a while since I've been on dirt bike, so probably some novice mistake in there as well. But I'll have a video following up on that and some of the things that I intend to do to fix the comfort issues and make myself more confident on this bike. Folks, thanks for watching. Sorry I wrecked. I will have more videos coming. I will have more ride videos coming, but the ride videos, unfortunately, on whether I'm on the BMW or on the KTM, are going to have to wait about another 4 weeks or so before I can get around to them, and we'll be back on 2 wheels again. So, folks, as always, thank you for watching, and ride with a smile.